না না হয়ে যাবে 5টার মধ্যে 5:30 বলো। Good evening, everybody, and today is Sanskriti Kolkata's live number 114th live. Again, a Pujo collection of mixed saris, variety of saris. I'll show cotton and silk, festive collection. So those who are new to the video, we have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, near the Baliganj railway station. Sundays we are open till the Durga Puja for every day, 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. And cash on delivery option in Kolkata only. The tailoring unit is available in both the branches. But the jewelry section and the menswear collection will be there only in the Cornfield Road branch. In the menswear collection, we have katha dhotis, block printed dhotis, we have kurtas, we have combo sets and jackets also. So please visit the branches, and to get these saris, what you're seeing online in YouTube and the Facebook page and the reels, just take the screenshot. WhatsApp only 76030-42696 is the WhatsApp booking number. After payment, send your payment details and we'll courier it to you within 2 to 3 working days. After 2 to 3 working days, the product will be shipped after completing of the polish and the ironing. If you want to talk to any representative, just take the phone number. 033 is the Calcutta code number and the landline number is 2440-1670 is the number where you can call and do the booking also, or any enquiries. But the best thing is to WhatsApp to do the bookings. For inquiries, you can call in the landline number also. So I'll not waste time. I'll start with the first product, which is Pujo ekdomi eshe geche. So keeping the Durga Puja in mind, this is a Bengal katha in cotton. Cotton katha in Bengal, pure cotton. It has a blouse piece, it's half and half. Comes with a red cotton blouse with the border. You don't need lining for the blouse, but you can give for the finishing. The blouse piece will have the katha work in the sleeves. You can put this border in the longitudinal way also. It's a white and red pure cotton katha. Now I'll show you the work closely. This is the katha stitch embroidery. Upper part will be in white. The pleat part will be in red, and the red will have the alternate katha work. Hello Shongomitra ma'am and Amara ma'am, most welcome to our live video today. This is the achol part. It has a beautiful big paisley work, and the price of the sari is 3,200. 3,200 totally handwork. This beautiful paisley katha work will be in the corner of the achol. 3,200 number 1. Number 2 is this Bengal cotton with Alpona hand painting. Komolika, how are you doing? This is a hand painted pure cotton one, and it comes without a blouse piece. So you can wear a chicken blouse, or you can wear a red plain simple cotton blouse. It's a Bengal cotton goro, pure cotton with Alpona hand painting in the borders. The body will be plain and the sari will have the woven border and pallu along with the painting. And look at the painting. This is Durga painting in the achol. Keeping the Durga Puja theme in mind, the beautiful hand painting in the achol, Durga painting in the achol. Number 2 price is, this is number 2, 2350 number 2, 2350 Durga painting cotton gorod, Durga painting cotton gorod, 2350. Apurna ma'am from Baroda, thank you so much. Thank you for joining our Facebook live. Again, another lovely shade of yellow floral. Bengal cotton with freehand painting of floral design in a yellow color border cotton gorod. I'll just show you the border closely, the weave, and this is the painting, how beautifully the shading has been done. Very natural freehand painting. 2350 number, this number 3. Number 3 again 2350. These come without a blouse piece, and the border will be upper and lower border will go till the end. Just take the screenshot and WhatsApp 76030-42696. And if you want to visit our store, at present these will be available in the Jamir Lane branch. These Facebook live saris will be available in the Jamir Lane branch. So take the screenshot for this beautiful artistic hand painted saris, 2350 number 3. Number 3, 2350. Number 4. So for budget friendly cotton saris, if you're looking to give somebody who likes good quality cotton in handwork, in premium quality fabric and handwork, so you can go for these saris. This is a South cotton beautiful khadi sari. This is a woven khadi cotton. See, it has the jamdani weave, and this is the weaving. I'll show you from the reverse side. You can see these are all woven. The border is attached with katha work, and the upper part is also with katha embroidery. 4,500 for the sari price. Comes with this black blouse piece with the work. Shipping charges depends on the weight and destination. Internationally also we are shipping regularly. Now see the katha work. The body part is totally woven, beautiful khadi cotton jamdani weave, and this is the pallu, and this is the upper border. This is the lower border. A very smart, different sari. Navonita, welcome to our video. This is 4,500, a midnight blue color with yellow katha work and blouse piece in black. 4,500, beautiful work. And the fabric itself, you can understand these khadi fabrics with the jamdani weave. This is a very, very smart sari. Very smart sari. I always make sure that I show some beautiful cottons before Poila Boishakh and Pujo. Of course, in summer also I keep showing cottons. Cottons in good work, it's very difficult to get. Good, tussar and silks we are showing regularly. But in cottons, it's high in demand and you get very less good quality cotton designer saris. So this is one of the saris, a very pretty one, a cotton katha patchwork sari applique with embroidery and border. This is the work. The temple which you are seeing is all embroidery thread work, and throughout there will be applique work. A very smart sari. Bolaka ma'am, welcome. This is the sari, a very pretty one, and comes with this blouse piece. 2,900. Just remember the price. 2,900 and number 4.
5.
Number 5. This is number 5 sari. 2,900 number 5 comes with this blouse piece in cotton. Katha applique patchwork. So for booking, you can and see the achol will have these bigger appliques. Achol part will have bigger appliques and the body part will have small pretty appliques with handwork katha. 2,900. Sudha ma'am, Lal Shada collection. I started with the Lal Shada and just a full episode was done in YouTube, episode number 623 on Lal Shada only. So you can watch our YouTube video 623 for a full episode of Lal Shada Agomoni collection. This is a Georgette Banarasi, Khadi Georgette with all over zari weave. Fire red color, very pretty, gorgeous sari. Comes with this blouse piece. It's in Khadi Georgette. So many of you want to wear a red, bright, beautiful Shidur red color for Ashtami Raat. So this is a very pretty, even for your anniversaries, if you're looking for a nice Georgette sari in zari weave, rich red color. This is a beautiful option. The sari has jal weave in gold. Number 6, 6990, 6,990 rupees. This is the reverse side of the weave, 6990, and here is the border where we've attached a nice extra gota border. 6990 is the sari price. Very pretty, and close up of the jal weave. This is the border. Very beautiful sari in Georgette Khadi. This is the tassels. 6,990 rupees, and this is the reverse side. The fall is completely attached and it's ready to wear. A beautiful piece. A new concept of linen with woven border and digital printing in floral. A very sober sari in a pink border. This is linen Banarasi, cotton linen Banarasi, where there is tissue woven. And we have a lovely brocade blouse piece. The zari in the blouse piece is very soft, so it's not stiff. It's a very soft woven, zari woven blouse piece to give it a very rich look. Swati ma'am, welcome, welcome, welcome once again. This is the whole floral digital printing in linen tissue pink color with the pallu. The florals are very pretty. 3,990 rupees. I have color options in this. 3,990, number 7. Number 7, 3,990 rupees. Tissue linen Banarasi with digital printing. This is so pretty. Similar sari, I have the red color option. Since there's no return, see the video properly. I open and show every sari. I tell you the details including the color combination. So for booking, take the screenshot if you're liking the video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. those who are watching in from Facebook, so just follow our page and like our page if you're liking the products and my display. Also, those who are watching from YouTube, please subscribe to our channel Sanskriti Kolkata, so that many more varieties of festive collection which is uploaded regularly in videos, you'll be able to see. All sari lovers will be able to see some awesome collection of handcrafted saris. Number 83990, number 8. So close up of the beautiful prints. The saris will have zari buta, red border. Uma ma'am, the sari that I'm wearing, I'll show color options in that. This sari, again another cotton embroidery. First of all, I'd shown two colors in the few episodes before. So those were all sold out and more demands in showing cotton embroidery saris. So once again, a new color, a pink panel woven. The sari itself is a beautiful weave from Bengal, where there is clusters of katha work and comes with this blouse piece. Very pretty sari in a pink shade with katha work. Now I'll show you close up of the work. This is the work throughout the sari with mirror work, and here comes the woven border. Weaves. This is also the weave. Buta all over. Achol. Blouse piece. 3,500 is the sari price. 3,500 is the sari price. These are woven pure handloom cottons. Number 9. Sari number 9. So for those who want to wear, looking for a bit of party wear sari in pastel shade. So this is a salmon pink color in pure tissue organza with embroidery and mirror handwork. The sari color is a very, very sober salmon pink color. Very beautiful salmon pink color. Srijita, most welcome to our show. Very pretty. You are a lover of cotton saris. You have very good taste, and so you can check this video. This is tissue organza with border and work. See the work closely. Very pretty shading. Here is the sari embroidery. This is price 15,900. 15,900, a very, very pretty sober party wear piece. The blouse piece also has full work. The color is so beautiful, a very beautiful shade of rose pink, dusty rose pink, or you can say a salmon pink color. This is once again the sari close up. So I'll just show the sari whole full of beautiful soft mirror work. This is the sari. Khubi Shundor. Shomagato Pal, thank you so much for joining. This is the sari closely. Once again the price 15,900. Very classy sari for occasion wear. An art silk sari. This is actually semi tussar, where we've done tone on tone, a beige color semi tussar with off-white thread work, 5,200, and the work is a lot of work. The whole sari will be full with work. The border is with silver zari weave, and the blouse piece is there with the border. It's basically a very pretty semi tussar, and the quality is also very good. You can see the weave in the zari. It has, if you can just see the, okay, light ta ha ekটু light ta কমিয়ে দিয়ে এবারে বোধহয় বোঝা যাচ্ছে weave-টা। হ্যাঁ দেখুন একটু দূর থেকেও দেখাচ্ছি আমি weave-টা, and this is the buta. Very pretty, 5200. So with these you can really mix match your jewelry. Any type of jewelry go very well with these sarees, or you can highlight your nice printed blouses. $750 is the 790. 790 is the folk printed 1 meter cotton blouse, ajrak. 1 meter cotton big width ajrak folk printed blouse is 790 rupees. Sari price you can buy separately also or together. The sari price is 5200. Urmila Mishra ma'am, thank you so much. Thank you so much. You've been a great support throughout the years, and thank you for joining. I think it's the first time you joined, but it's very nice to have you in our show. This is Tussar Leheria tie and dye with hand catch work. So the Leheria sari is in pure tussar, and we have the hand catch work done. Gujarati stitch, catch work, embroidery with mirror work. 11,500, number 12, in color red. 11,500, color red with kesar, orangish color Leheria tie and dye. Very pretty piece. The Leheria will go throughout the sari. This is the achol part. $11,500. Very pretty combination, and it's a fusion collection of our hand embroidered catch work. This is the work closely. Check out our Instagram reels, Facebook videos, our YouTube videos. Yesterday we had uploaded a suit video, dupatta, tussar dupatta, suits, katha dupattas, and many more kaftans, beautiful pieces. So please do join our video. Now we have a gorgeous tussar. First of this sari in variety of embroidery was, we had done a video shoot and it had come out in a reputed newspaper also, the full photo shoot. We have done this in many concepts in only white work also. So first of all, these tissues were woven in 3 parts. The upper part was a dual tone maroon. The middle part was a black and silver tissue weave. Lower part was in solid black. Only the lower part we have done machine gara Parsi inspired Parsi work. Price 12,900, number 13. The blouse piece will be in black silk. Superb sari. Honestly speaking, the weave is a very old weave. We have shown and done many designs in this around 5-6 years ago also. 5-6 years ago. But the sari is so much in demand, we keep doing new styles and designs in this weaving. It's a very in demand sari, and it looks very classy on draping. $12,900. 12,900. The work is very exclusive, number 13. 12,900. The pallu part will have tassels and weaving. Tassels and weaving, a very pretty sari. सिर्फ दामन में फुल वर्क है, ब्रॉड करके वर्क आएगा और बहुत एक्सक्लूसिव कॉम्बिनेशन है। मल चंदेरी जामदानी, প্রচুর request থাকে. You have requested me multiple times to show more of Jamdani saris. These are weaving, not print. From the reverse side, you can understand. Totally woven in a makhan jaisa fabric. It's super soft. The best part is the body color is tussar color and an off-white Jamdani weave in the border. Only the palla will have these pastel shade. From the reverse, you can understand total weaving in pastel shades only in the pallu part. So this is the sari. Wear it with a nice contrast jewelry. The blouse piece. Will be in contrast coral color. So it's a very, very beautiful piece. 4,500 is the price. 4,500, super soft Mal Chanderi. Once again, I'll show you the achol part. Very lightweight, soft. Even if you want to gift somebody who likes lightweight, can't carry heavyweight sari or anything, if you're wearing these saris throughout the day and you don't want it to crumble and crush. So in that sense, these saris is a very, very pretty option with the blouse piece. 4,500. I'm showing you two color options in this Mal Chanderis. The yellow shade mustard blouse piece. So please visit our branches if you want to get these saris and subscribe to our channel Sanskriti Kolkata. 4,500. Hera Sundar, very, very pretty, sober, soft saris. Lots of stock has arrived in both the branches for the Pujo. Regularly, we are putting up videos for our festive collection. 4500 number 15. Number 16, we have color options and designs in this Dola silk, soft, beautiful Kani silk saris. 7,700 number 16. 7,700 number 16. This is totally woven, not print. From the reverse side, you can understand. Number 16, 7,700 in a lovely shade of grey, light grey color with a woven blouse piece. Big palla, very soft sari, very, very soft sari. $7,700. We have blacks and off-whites also. Now, color options of the one that I'm wearing a pure handloom mull cotton with ajrak, dual tone mull cotton with ajrak patchwork. Yes, parking is available in front of the store. Sundays also open. 2 branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19 and 12 Jamil Lane near the Baliganj railway station. So this is in a black ajrak patchwork and a rust pallu. Color will be dual tone yellow and this is the lovely tassels done. It's so soft. It's so soft. See? Mull cotton saris in dual tone. With ajrak blouse piece. 3,200. 3,200 is the price. 3,200 is the price. So I have this yellow color, mustard color. 3,200. Very soft, pure mal cotton. Okay, let me show this one. Red one. Red color. With the blouse piece. Red cotton, mull cotton, dual tone with contrast border and blouse piece in Ajrak. 3200 red. 3200 red with beautiful big tassels, handmade tassels along with the sari. And lastly, the one that I am wearing with this blouse piece in a coffee color, dual tone coffee, very unusual combination. 3200 for this too. $3,200. This is the sari. So 3 color options in this Ajrak or indigo patchwork saris in mull cottons. The neck piece that I'm wearing, $3,500 with this earring. 3,500 comes with this jhumko. $3,500. And the one which is behind me, yes, somebody was asking Trina Kor. আমার পেছনের শাড়িটা কটন গরদ, যেরকম আমি দেখালাম, কটন গরদের ওপর, কটন গরদের ওপর, হ্যাঁ, লাইটটা চলে। আচ্ছা, কটন গরদের ওপর গঙ্গা যমুনা বর্ডার and again আলপনা hand painting. Yellow and olive green is the Ganga Jamuna border without blouse piece, price 2350. 2350 is the price of this beautiful hand painting, very traditional cotton gorod with Ganga Jamuna border. Upper part will be green and the lower part will be yellow. Taito. Porle ki hobe na opore. Okay. The upper part will be yellow and the lower part will be green. Hand painting in cotton gorod 2350. So thank you so much those who could join our video today. We'll be back soon again. Namaskar.